In this video, I will show you how to create a video with Video Agent in Heygen. First, head over to Heygen AI's official website and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click Create. A drop-down menu will appear, select Create a Video, and then choose Video Agent. Once the Video Agent workspace opens, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see the fields where you can start building your video. Type in your script or prompt. Choose the duration by selecting how many seconds you want your video to be, and then pick a speaker from the list of available avatars. When everything looks good, click the Submit button, which appears as a small arrow pointing to the right. Heygen will then generate a video plan for you. Take a moment to review it. If you're satisfied with the layout, visuals, and voice, simply type Yes and submit it. After confirming, Heygen will begin generating your full video. Just wait for it to process, and once it's done, you'll have your finished Video Agent-generated content ready to use. And that's how to create a video with Video Agent in Heygen.